everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to find Kroger Plus card number. So if you want to find your Kroger Plus card number, it is actually very simple. First of all, what you can do is simply check for your physical card. If you have the physical card, you'll be able to find the Kroger card number over there. Your Kroger Plus card number is typically an 11, 12 or 13 digit number, often starting with the number 4 printed on the back of your card. So simply check on the back of your card and you'll be able to find the Kroger Plus card number over there. Or you can also simply visit the official website of Kroger. For that, launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in this link kroger.com/pr/sign -in-n-save. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Kroger. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. Simply click on the sign in option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, sign in. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here, you'll be able to sign in to your account. Enter your email address. Now enter your password. After doing that, click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be signed in to your account. Once you're signed into your account, look for the My Plus Card section or a similar option within your account settings. Your Plus Card number should be displayed over there. Like this too, you'll be able to check your card number. Likewise, you can also contact the Kroger customer service. If you do not have a physical card or if you're having trouble finding the number through the app, you can call the Kroger's customer service. Provide them with your name, address and any other relevant information to help them locate your card and number. Like this too, you'll be able to check for your card number. If you do not have a physical card or cannot find the number during the account creation process, you can create a virtual card number that is known as alternate ID. This is usually a 10-digit number, often your phone number, that can be used in the place of your physical card number. So you can also create a virtual card number like this. So these are basically the ways to find the Kroger Plus card number. So that is how you find Kroger Plus card number. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.